If you've ever interested yourself in automating resources into making more advanced resources, then I have the video for you. Let's get into it. You're going to want to start this process by getting extractors for the resources that you need. Once you have extractors set up, you can get rid of any old storing mechanisms such as bin, and you would probably want to put on a transporter and antenna. The transporter will connect back to a warehouse, which I'll explain in a bit, and the antenna is just meant for connecting it to your power grid, because if you have two antennas of the same ID, it can take power from your power grid and charge it to the extractor, which will then be picked up by the transporter, which, as I said, will be put into your warehouse. The warehouse, as I call it, is a system that takes the ore or whatever from the extractor, puts it into a building, and this building distributes it with however you want it to be distributed. So for me, that is taking the items from the transporter, putting it into, say I'm mining iron, put it into an iron bin, and then once it detects that there's iron, I have assemblers in the back that take that and is like, oh, we should make gears, pipes, and chutes, so we're going to do that now. So that is a great example of how this can be used, and it can be taken very far. To very explicitly explain what's happening for anyone who's still confused, I have three filters here. Well, all three of them are colored. There is a blue one, a purple one, and a red one. So the blue one is connected to two bins, which I will show. Two bins right here. And then with these two bins, I can put something such as iron, which I have in the filter set. So I have iron going through there, and the iron gets in here by going through these chutes, which transfer items, which is connected to this, which is a transporter ID. And over here, I have two filters. So let's just say pipe on the top, gear at the bottom. Make sure you capitalize those. And I have an assembler, which on top, with the filter on top I have pipe, so on the assembler on top I insert pipe. Assembler at the bottom I have gear, so at the filter at the bottom I put gear. And with this, I have the antenna giving power through these wires, which will then connect back towards this, powering the assemblers. So what happens is this chute is the main line of resources. And since this is the main line of resources, it looks at both ends and it sees, oh, there's a filter here, there's iron here, and only iron can go through here. And there's a filter over here, only a pipe can go through here. And so if I were to extend this line, say there's something that needs pipes, then something all the way down here I can add, and then the pipes will just start going away from these bins, which was already taken from the iron. And I think I very thoroughly explained this mechanism by now. So here is a strip of assemblers I made as a model, and I will link it as a GIST hub link, and hopefully you all will be able to use it. I'll make it public GIST, and this can maybe train you. I can also link a Roblox package thing if that's helpful, if you want to edit it for any needs in studio. Anyways, thank you for being here, thank you for supporting me, and goodbye.
What if I
Don't say it.
take your obelisk and put it in the ocean?
I will torture you.
What if it's already
Why is
been
it
done?
gone?